Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the October Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, and lots of bonuses. So when you're a subscriber, you'll have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, and they'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions and then a color photograph of the finished layout, and you can create right along with them. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up while you're unboxing or while you're creating with your kits. And then you're also going to have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our subscribers, and this month is this adorable Too Cute to Spook cut file with the little ghost and the spider webs. Simply adorable, and as you can tell, our collections are all about the fall and Halloween, so it's perfect for this month's kit. This month we're featuring 49th and Market Vintage Orchard, Cartabella Harvest, Doodlebug Designs Hey Pumpkin, and Fancy Pants Designs Amber Autumn. So they're all very different, but all centering around the season. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything you're going to get this month in the Flavors of the Month. The first collection we're going to look at is Vintage Orchard from 49th and Market. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Nestled, which is that background already done for you that 49th and Market does so well. So pretty. And the back is another mixed media with textbooks and things like that. There's a full branding strip. This one's called Turning Point, another one that can be used as a background with the birds and the leaves. And then the back is this gorgeous little yellow flower with the leaves. Then we have Painted Foliage, which has different types of leaves throughout with little touches of green. This paper, I love this because normally they all have like those background patterns. And then patterns on the back. This one is both patterns, so it gives you a little bit more layering if you want to do layering. And then this side's a rusty orange with that kind of rope floral design. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a wide variety of different types of embellishments. So you're going to get some of the ephemera bits. So these are those heavy cardstock die cuts. They're not the thinner ones. You're also going to get some of the acetate pieces and some of the chipboard words. So again, lots of variation in the textures and the weights and the types of embellishments. So you'll have a lot of fun there. So that is Vintage Orchard from 49th and Market. Our next collection is Harvest from Cartabella. So this is that heavy textured cardstock weight. You're going to start with 2 sheets red and mauve cardstock, and this is made by Cartabella to match this collection. And then we have this beautiful fall floral. I just love this. You could fussy cut these out for some embellishments. But the back is a beautiful green wood grain. That paper is called Fall Floral Bunches. And then we have this gorgeous plaid. The back is a 2-tone orange with a little leaf print. This one is called Autumn Time Plaid. We have these cute, adorable little pumpkins with their little floral bouquets in the center of them. The back is a green print. This one is called Pumpkin Bouquets. So just gorgeous colors and patterns in that collection. For your embellishments, you'll receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a wide wood grain border, a large scalloped of the plaid, and then a little small banner. Lots of words and phrases and the fall foliage bouquets. Just gorgeous. So that is Harvest from Cartabella. Our next collection is Hey Pumpkin from Doodlebug. So this has their signature pink and their bright, vibrant colors with lots of black. And I want you to see that this side of the papers, you have a lot of that black, so it's really strong contrasting. But the other sides are completely different. They're more light. They're the pinks and everything, so it's really fun how you can make collections look differently. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This paper called Bootyful Bouquet with little spiders, the candy corn and the candy and florals. The back is this pink with black polka dot. We have this paper called Hey Pumpkin, which is the diagonal stripe. In the back are the little icons from this collection, the ghost, the bat, the spider, the candy corns, and the pumpkins. So see how that's already lighter than the darker, heavy colors of this side? This is Moonlight Magic with all the bright stars on black, and the back is a yellow two-toned with stars. So if you're doing more small children layouts and you want a little bit softer colors and not so dark, then you can choose more of these patterns. And if you like the really strong contrast, lean more to these patterns. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the little sprinkles, which I love their sprinkles. So you have some little black spiders and some stars in different colors. And then you're going to get some of the odds and end pieces here. So all of the embellishments will vary among the kits, so just keep that in mind, but we just give you a good representation of what you'd be getting. So that is Doodlebug Hey Pumpkin. The final collection we're going to look at is Amber Autumn from Fancy Pants Design. This is such a fun little retro 70s kind of vibe collection. It's super cute, and the colors are totally different from the normal fall. We've got more of a pastel-y pink and oranges and yellows, kind of coral. It's just so much fun. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl. This pumpkin with the large, or this paper with the large pumpkins. The back is a large leaf print. That paper is called Delicate Fern. And we have this fun pink print here. We have some text and little tag labels and things like that on the sides. Beautiful floral, as I said earlier, that 70s retro, and that is called Dinias and Daisies. I hope I didn't butcher that too badly. Then we have a plaid pattern, gorgeous. Plaid always fits in fall. And then we have this adorable little deer on the bright pink with the leaves around, and this one's called Flora and Fauna. Super cute. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So again, these will all vary. You're going to get some enamel dots and some foam stickers. So lots of fun there. Can't wait to see what you create with that collection. So one more look at your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out our 3 add-ons if you want more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments. Also check out our Shots of Life because it coordinates with our flavors of the month as well and can give you more pattern paper and embellishments there. So that is a great add-on. We hope you'll join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Check out all the amazing talent, join in some challenges, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.